Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at requesting an item to view in the reading room and requesting an item with access restrictions. To order an item you'll need to first make sure you're logged in, otherwise you won't be able to order. On the item page at the top you'll see a green button with request to view in the reading room. Clicking it will add that item to your cart. You can do this for multiple items or pick just the one. Now we need to complete the order. This will feel similar to when you're doing some online shopping. Head up to the top right hand corner of the cart and click to open. Just note that there are two carts here, one for ordering records in person and one for ordering copies. You want the one that looks a bit like a house. Once in your cart, you'll see all the records you want to view. It's easy to pre-order an item to have it ready before you visit us. Just pick the date you want to order it for. If you change your mind at any time, it's easy to remove an item from your requests. If you have multiple requests, you can also change the priority for what you'd prefer to receive first. Click on Submit Request and you'll get this little message pop up. You can click here to review your request history. You'll see a list of your requests and their status. For more details, see our video on search and request history. There are certain items in the collection with a few different copies. There may be times you go to order an item, but there is more than one physical copy available. For this record here, there is two. So when I click on Request at the top, it scrolls down to the two copies here. In this case, there is the original file, and the second copy is the microfilm. When there is a microfilm, you won't need to order the original. Instead, you can copy down the microfilm number and access this in the reading room. You may want to request a record that has access restrictions. You can request access directly to the agency who owns the records through our system. Let's go through how to do that. Here we have the restricted file. We're going to go ahead and request access to this record. When you head into your records cart, there is a message in orange flagging you've requested an item that has access restrictions. It will give you a summary of the record, and then down here you can provide a reason as to why you want this record. It might be because you're doing family history research or research for a university assignment. Click the checkboxes that are applicable and then submit. This will then send a request to the agency for review. You can see this request in the same place as the others, but it will say awaiting agency approval. And that's the basics on requesting items to the reading room. Make sure you check out our next video on saving searches and viewing your request and search history.